Hello everyone, so if you want to enable or disable the installation of apps from unknown sources on your Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, so first of all open up your settings. Now on your left side you're gonna find your apps section. Here it is, and now in app section you gotta press manage apps. Now we gotta find our application which we gonna give a permission. So for example, let's find our Google Chrome, because we're gonna be using that. Or maybe let's do it on the Mi browser. Maybe you're using Mi browser. And here in advanced settings, you'll find your install apps from unknown sources. So simply tap on the switch, confirm that you're available of that you're aware of all possible risks, and now simply press OK. Also, you could do this with file manager and whatever you like. So let's do this with file manager. Let's find it. Here it is, file manager. Now choose install apps from unknown sources and confirm your choice by tapping on the switch. Now once again, wait 10 seconds, confirm that you're aware of all the risks and press OK. And it goes just the same if you wanna disable this option. So open up an application. As for me, I have a file manager. Install apps from unknown sources. Tap on the switch. When it goes gray, it means it's off, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.